Welcome to Binna Kim Art. Christmas is really close. Yay! I'm sure you are going to have an amazing time. So what I'm going to share is to make an easy, breezy, urgent holiday decor without florals and any skills. Yes, you don't need any skills for this decor. So let's look at what I'm using. I'm sure you have simple basic plates at home. I'm using white plates, but obviously you don't need to follow what I'm using. Any shapes and colors of plates will be amazing. I imagine making this decor on a cake stand or dessert trays or even trays. Candles. Well, we all have at least one candle at home. If you prefer using diffuser, I'm sure it will look lovely with this decor as well. No. Ornaments. I'm using leftover ornaments for this decor. It could be ball ornaments or different shapes of hanging ornaments. Or if you like to use a garland, I recommend you to cut it in pieces and use them. Pine cones. I'm sure you can pick them up in the park or on the street. Christmas greens. These are left over from my previous floral arrangements. Cedar, juniper, blue spruce, pine. Anything you can find around your house will be fine. Small little branches. I'm sure you can find these easily on the street. Okay, let's start making. First, simply place pine cones on your plate. I'm using 2 or 3 different sizes of pine cones. I personally think it will look better than using one size of pine cones. However, if you don't have various sizes, it's fine. Anyway, it will look great at the end. Secondly, I'm adding some Christmas ornaments with pine cones. If you have colorful ball ornaments, it will look very lovely and vibrant. Third, place some greenery around the pine cones and ornaments. If you want to place greenery first and add pine cones and ornaments, that would be great too. I'm sure you have different ideas on your mind while watching this video. Please try and design your own plates with your various materials. So let me share with you the result. I added red elastic round cord. If you have any types of Christmas ribbons, try out as well. I made one more with different pine cones. It looks natural and wintry. Okay, let's make the second decor. I'm placing a candle at the middle because this dish is concave. I'm adding greenery around the candle. Well, I feel like I could smell the leaves by looking at these videos. As I mentioned in the beginning, if you prefer using a diffuser, please do. It would have different feelings compared to mine. If I had a flat round dish, like a cake stand, then I might place candle or diffuser at a side close to the edge and add greenery and ornaments. If I used a flat rectangular dish or a dark color slate placemat, this decor will look more stylish. It's funny, I'm getting more ideas as I'm making this video. I will remember and try for next holiday season. I'm adding branches and ornaments. Imagine if the ornaments were different shapes and colors. Or if I use cinnamon sticks instead of these branches. Or if I had red berries or white berries, then this decor will look different. If you have snow spray, then this decor will look more wintry. If you make this with your kids, then add small Christmas toys on your plate. That will look adorable. I'm sharing many possible ideas with you, so please try and design your own decor. It is also very easy. Okay, mine looks quite natural and wintry. I just thought of making a small cabin with these branches. Well, my imagination goes far sometimes. Okay, I finished making 2 decors. How easy it was! Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed and get some good tips for your urgent Christmas decor. If you like this video, please thumbs up and see you next time. Bye!